This thing's hauling ass.
Yeah, yeah, you probably
Okay.
got it.
You gotta be silent and trickle. Oh yeah, it's heavy. Oh yeah. Gosh. Whew. Dude, this, I can't even pull it. It's so heavy.
The swivel might be stuck on the ice.
Stuck or something. I don't even know what this is. It won't pull. I'm stuck. There we go again. No, I lost him, I think. Nope. I don't know why it keeps getting hung up. What is it? It won't let me pull. I can't pull it. Oh, it broke off. Oh, shit. That's the end of that. It's gone.
Are you
Nothing.
fucking kidding me?